Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best RC Airplanes is probably one of the most thrilling toys a young boy can have, offering a fantastic blend of fun and learning. These remote control airplanes not only provide hours of entertainment but also help develop crucial motor skills and spatial awareness. In this video, we'll explore some of the top RC airplanes perfect for boys aged 8 to 12, helping you find the ideal model to ignite their passion for aviation. Number 5. Kidsthrill Airplane Toy with Lights and Sounds. Get ready for an exciting playtime experience. This Kidsthrill airplane toy is perfect for young pilots. It's designed to keep them entertained for hours. This toy airplane features colorful lights and authentic takeoff sounds. It's made from durable plastic and designed with kids in mind. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, this airplane toy is built to last. It's also designed with child-friendly features, ensuring safe play for everyone. This toy encourages imaginative play and helps develop motor skills. It's a fun way for children to learn and explore, stimulating their brain development. Add this airplane to your child's collection of toy vehicles. The bright colors and realistic features help them visualize the action. You can even remove the batteries for quieter play. We are confident that you'll love this toy. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service and outstanding quality. What we like. This airplane is all about fun and engagement, with lights and sounds to capture your child's attention. It's made of durable plastic, so it can handle the bumps and tumbles of playtime. If your child loves imaginative play and enjoys a toy with exciting features, this is a great choice. What people say. Well made. When you pull back on them to wind the mechanism inside, they really zoom off down the floor. Number 4. Foam Airplane Launcher Toys, Outdoor Sport Party Favor. This launcher has improved snaps and elastic connecting strips. Tests show it's more durable, so you can enjoy it longer. The higher strength ensures a better experience. These foam airplanes can fly up to 49 feet. They are lightweight and flexible, making them easy to carry. It's a high-performance free flight experience. Outdoor sports are great for kids' health. This toy provides an opportunity to play outside for hours. It helps develop coordination and critical thinking skills. The set includes a launcher, 3 airplanes, stickers, and instructions. The planes come in blue, orange, and green. It's a great gift for kids aged 3 to 12. It's a good choice for holidays like Easter, Christmas, and birthdays. It's also great for aviation-themed parties. It's the best outdoor toy for parent-child interaction. What we like. This product features a durable launcher and can fly up to 49 feet, providing exciting outdoor fun. It encourages kids to put down their screens and get active. If you're looking for a toy that promotes physical activity and outdoor play, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It's now April and it's still one of their go-to toys when they go outside. It is very safe for indoor use as well. Los aviones vuelan bastante bien. Me sorprendió la distancia que pueden alcanzar. Number 3. Top Race RC Airplane, Easy to Control Electric Plane. Take to the skies with this amazing RC plane. It has smooth controls, making it perfect for beginners. Experienced pilots will also enjoy its high-performance features. Enjoy smooth flights knowing this plane is built to last. Its strong frame can handle bumps and crashes with ease. This means more time flying and less time worrying. This compact airplane is ready for adventure. It fits easily in a backpack, so you can fly it in parks or open spaces. Each charge gives you up to 15 minutes of flight time. The advanced propeller saver protects against damage. This feature means fewer crashes and more time in the air. It's ideal for pilots of all ages. This radio-controlled airplane is fun for everyone. It makes an exciting gift and helps improve hand-eye coordination. Get ready for hours of entertainment with it. What we like. This remote control airplane is designed for easy flying, even for beginners, and has a durable build to withstand crashes. It also features a propeller saver to minimize damage. If you want a user-friendly RC plane that's built to last, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It has everything to start playing. RTF means ready to fly. It comes in a box in which you can carry it when you go to the field. This plane has 4 RC channels, throttle, elevators, on the tail allowing you to raise or dip the nose, ailerons, on the wings to make it roll left or right and make the plane turn, and the rudder, on the tail making the nose move left or right to help with the turn. The controls are very user-friendly, they offer 3 levels of complexity, there's a switch on the side of the controller. The simplest one is the most stable one but doesn't allow you to maneuver too much. So you can just make it ascend or descend and make very wide turns. Next one allows for more control of the plane while still providing some stabilization. The plane has sensors and a microcontroller on board which makes adjustments to the appropriate control surfaces to keep the thing level. The most advanced level gives you full control over the thing and you can move control surfaces to the max. Number 2. DEERC 2.4 GHz RC airplane with 3 batteries. This RC plane has a built-in 6-axis gyroscope stabilization system. It provides a perfect flying experience, even for beginners, making it easy to control and enjoy the flight. Constructed with advanced EPP material, this remote control plane is lightweight yet durable. It's easy to maintain and can withstand impacts, ensuring the best possible flight experience. The controller allows you to maneuver the airplane in all directions. With a maximum control distance of 164 feet, there are no channels or frequencies to manage. Equipped with 2 motors and 3.7 V 185 mAh LiPo batteries, it delivers plenty of power. 3 batteries provide up to 24 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended fun. Its small size allows for a smaller turn radius, making it ideal for various spaces. It's a perfect gift for young pilots, suitable for yards, parks, and fields. What we like. This RC plane is easy to fly, thanks to its built-in 6-axis gyroscope. It's also made of durable EPP material and comes with 3 batteries for extended flight time. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly RC plane with a long flight time, you should consider this. What people say. Takes a little bit to figure it out how to fly it. Shakes off crashes well, and looks easy to repair. Flight time is okay, but it came with 3 batteries and they charge fast, so I bet you could keep this in the air indefinitely as long as you have more than 1 charger. Mine came with 2. Number 1. DEERC Dragon RC plane, easy to fly for beginners. This remote control airplane is designed for everyone, from kids to adults. Its user-friendly controls make it incredibly easy to pick up and fly. You'll be soaring through the skies in no time. Made with durable EPP material, this plane can handle bumps and crashes. The lightweight design makes it easy to control, and it's built to withstand outdoor flying conditions. This ensures the plane can handle the rough and tumble of learning to fly. The built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization system ensures a smooth and stable flight. The 2.4 GHz frequency provides a reliable connection, so you can fly it without interference. This feature makes it perfect for beginners. This plane stands out with its captivating dragon-themed design. It brings a touch of fantasy to your flying adventures. It's a unique and exciting choice for anyone who loves remote control planes. The plane comes with 2 batteries, giving you more time in the air. Simply swap them out for longer flying sessions. This means more fun without the constant need to recharge. What we like. This airplane has a unique dragon-themed design that will capture the imagination. It's easy to fly and built with durable EPP material. If you are looking for a fun and unique RC plane, this is the one for you. What people say. Takes a little bit to figure it out how to fly it. Shakes off crashes well, and looks easy to repair. Flight time is okay, but it came with 3 batteries and they charge fast, so I bet you could keep this in the air indefinitely as long as you have more than 1 charger. Mine came with 2. Lights are awesome. I love that you can turn them on and off from the remote. I haven't tried night flying, ever, but I will. The lights are a different color at the nose than at the tail, so orientation can be maintained in the dark. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.